Check your graphics card on Windows 11 using the Task Manager. 1. Use the Windows 11 keyboard shortcut Ctrl + Shift + Escape to open the Task Manager. Here, move to the Performance tab. If you are on the redesigned Task Manager, you will find it under the hamburger menu on the left. 2. Now, move to the GPU section to get detailed information. Here, GPU 0 means integrated GPU, and GPU 1 is the external GPU. If I go to the GPU 0 section, you will find the name of your integrated graphics card in the top right corner along with GPU temperature and memory information. 3. Moving to GPU 1 shows my external GPU card, and you can find the GPU's name in the top right corner here as well. Right below, you can find the dedicated GPU memory of the graphics card on Windows 11. This is how you can check which graphics card you have on Windows 11 along with graphics memory.